Hello, good morning, welcome. This is Jamb here. 2016 government past question. Question 41 says a prominent feature of a presidential system of government is dash. A option A says dual executive, B say vote of no confidence, C say rule of law, D say separation of powers. I want to talk of dual executive means two S of government. Then vote of no confidence, this has to do with voting system. Then the rule of law is the supremacy of the law. The separation of powers implies the division of powers among the three arms. So option D is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.